modern.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have excavation work, and here is the equipment that we are going to use. We have 2 dump trucks, yeah. And now start moving the first dump truck to the excavation pits. Okay, we use the mini excavator for digging the soil and loading into the dump truck. Okay. The first dump truck is going to full soon, and the excavator is keep working very hard. After loading the soil, the dump truck start leaving the pitch and transport the soil go to the place for construction. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's arrived and now unloading the soil from the dump truck. Okay, go back right now. Okay. And now the second dump truck is start going to the excavation pits right now. And now we change from the green excavator and we use new one, the big one. It is spend only short time to load the soil into the full dump truck. Okay, and now it is in the progress of excavation. Okay.
Modern.
Okay, you can see this one is working faster than the green one because the volume is bigger than before. Okay, after finish unloading, we go back to the pit and we will continue to dig the soil in the excavation pits. Okay, let's go. And now it is the break time, and we will continue after the break time to dig more soil and transport more soil to the construction sites. Okay, let's go. And now we arrive and we will stop from here and continue after the break time. Okay, bye bye.